high-pressure fluid in the bottom area forces the corresponding piston to move to the left, while the low-pressure fluid at the top will be compressed by the piston to the right. Behind the disc, there is a fixed incline plate. Since the disc can rotate freely, the repeated movement of the high-pressure piston and the low-pressure piston will cause the disc to rotate. Adding an axle to the center forms a basic crawler motor. Behind the swash plate is a set of planetary gears. The rotational motion generated by the hydraulic system is absorbed by them, and finally the output power is transmitted to this sprocket, enabling the crawler to move.